The Divided Mind Review. How psychiatry is finally unraveling schizophrenia. For decades, the causes of schizophrenia have remained frustratingly elusive, lost in ideological battles and unreliable science. Edward Bullmore's The Divided Mind offers a compelling history of psychiatric thought, revealing how our understanding of mental illness has been shaped not just by breakthroughs, but by historical trends, flawed experiments, and even outright fabrication. The book suggests we are on the verge of a new era, one where the biological roots of schizophrenia are finally coming into focus. The legacy of doubt. From Rosenhen to Kripalin, the field's troubled past is central to Bullmore's argument. The infamous Rosenhen experiment, where researchers sent pseudo-patients into psychiatric institutions, exposed how easily sane individuals could be misdiagnosed as severely mentally ill. This experiment, though later found to be largely fabricated, shook public trust in psychiatry. The incident led to stricter diagnostic criteria, but also intensified the long-standing divide between those who see mental illness as biological and those who attribute it to environmental or psychological factors. This split dates back to Descartes' mind-body dualism, which falsely suggests that thoughts exist separately from the brain. Historically, this has meant that mental illnesses like schizophrenia were treated as functional emerging from a healthy body, rather than as physical diseases. This division has practical consequences. Patients with mental illness often receive inadequate physical health care, and research has been hindered by the mindless versus brainless tribalism within the field. The biological revolution. Genes, immunity, and brain networks. Bullmore highlights Emil Kripalin, an often overlooked figure who insisted on treating mental illnesses as physical diseases. Kripalin's focus on schizophrenia, then called dementia praecox, emphasized symptom patterns over individual interpretations. Today, advances in neuroscience, genetics, and immunology are finally validating his approach. The emerging consensus is that schizophrenia arises from abnormal brain development during childhood and adolescence. This development is driven by immune dysfunction and genetic variations that interact with environmental triggers like infections, abuse, or drug use. The illness is not a mysterious emergence from a healthy brain. It is rooted in biological processes, and understanding these processes opens doors for prevention. Beyond the dichotomy, integrating biology and experience, the book's central argument is that biology and experience are not separate domains. The most promising path forward lies in integrating both into treatment and prevention. Better healthcare and social support for mothers and young children, informed by our understanding of biological risk factors, should be a priority. While Bullmore acknowledges the insights of anti-psychiatry movements, like those led by R.D. Laing, who argued that psychosis is a rational response to an unlivable world, he stops short of fully salvaging their ideas. The new biological model does not negate social stress, but it does provide a clearer framework for intervention. Reckoning with the past, Bullmore also confronts psychiatry's dark history, particularly the Nazi extermination of psychiatric patients under the banner of eugenics. The field's past failures serve as a stark reminder of the dangers of ideological extremism and the importance of rigorous, evidence-based research. Ultimately, The Divided Mind is a gripping account of how psychiatry has evolved and a hopeful vision for its future. It is a testament to the power of intellectual honesty, the need to challenge dogma, and the enduring pursuit of understanding the most complex organ in the universe, the human brain.